The noun OMO, which literally means a child in Yoruba and Edo languages, can have a totally different meaning depending on the intonation and the stress when used in a sentence. It is one of the most used exclamations in NP/NE for expressing surprise, anger, love, sadness, worry, disappointment, and embarrassment. Check out the following examples.
Alpha. You look good oh. This song I get as a view. See me see wala. Did you see you came missing you right? Can't you see you're disturbing me? I'm busy. You know I love you, right? That's a pain person.
And that is NE/NPE in a minute.